Hey guys, this is Tekin. Today I have put together my favorite ab exercises that you can do without having a partner. You can do them all on your own for just tightening up that midsection. I'm going to explain to you the proper form. I'm going to tell you how many reps to do and when to do these exercises. Let's go. Okay, so my first exercise here is called a dumbbell pullover, and these ones are 15 reps. Now, what's really important on these is that you lengthen yourself as long as you can make yourself, okay? So look how my toes are pointed, my legs are straight, and when I come back, my arms are as straight as possible. Now, the big thing I want you to notice in this one is I'm taking 4 seconds to come back. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, pull over. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull over. Okay. So that tempo is very important here. I want you to keep your abs nice and tight. Don't pull your belly button into your spine like people used to say back in the day. I want you to actually just flex your abs as you're doing this exercise. And as you pull it forward, I want you to exhale. Okay. 15 reps there, guys. All right. Perfect. Next one, we're going to a dumbbell jackknife abs. Okay, this one has no tempo, but we're just doing it slow and controlled, okay? We're coming back, and then we're coming forward to meet in the middle. Meet in the middle, and come back. Meet in the middle, and come back. We're going 10 reps on this. You're going to exhale as you come up to meet in the middle. All right, nice and controlled, nice fluid motion here. Perfect. This is only 10 reps. That's it. All right. Good job, guys. Okay. Next, we are going to be going into a lat press down with the band. Now, these ones are done slowly, okay? So I want you nice and stabilized. I want a slight bend in your knee. Your chest and your bottom are out. And you're stabilized. You're just pushing those bands back as far as you can. Not real fast, just controlled. And we're going 20 reps. Every time you push back, I want you to exhale. Okay, next we're going to leg lowers. Now notice how I'm coming up as high as I can with my legs, okay, with my feet. I'm trying to touch my feet up to the ceiling, and then I'm going to lower those legs as slowly as I can, okay? And then I stop and I start over again, okay? So up, come down slowly, and now I'm going to reset. Okay, and I go back, I reset. I'm going to come up as high as I can with my feet, and I come slowly down, and now I'm going to reset. All right, that one is only 5 reps. Okay, next we're going to a dumbbell sit-up, okay? So I'm holding the dumbbell, I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to fire up in between my leg. I'm going to touch that dumbbell in between my legs just for 10 reps, okay? So I'm back, and then I'm going to fire up. And I go back, and then I fire up. All right, good job, guys. Yes, perfect. And this one is 10 reps. I'm exhaling on the way up. Okay, now, those are all of the exercises, but here is one of the most important parts is the stretching, okay? So I want you to stretch your abs out, okay? And to do this, I am laying down on the floor. I'm pushing myself up, trying to keep my hips on the floor. It's a nice stretch right through the abdominal wall, okay? Now notice how my head is straight forward, and now I'm going up on my toes. Okay, this makes it a little bit harder. Now I'm bringing a little bit of low back into it. And then I'm just going to go back into it and stretch out my back, okay? Since I'm stretching my abs, I also want to stretch that low back, okay? So I stay nice and even. Everything is balanced. So the important part of stretching is, when you're contracting your muscles, you're actually shortening them. But I want you to really stretch your abs to lengthen them back out to give yourself that nice, long, lean look. Now, this one is one of my favorites. I'm making myself as long as possible. Really stretch yourself out. Make yourself nice and long. Pretend like you're trying to make yourself as tall as you can. You're trying to gain some inches on your height. Okay, so I want you to try going through 3 rounds of all of those exercises. You can do that at least 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. But if you get that in 2 or 3 times a week, watch what happens with your abs. It's going to be a big difference. All right? Go out and make a great day.